A couple days into the hike, they got up to Lemhi Pass, the top, and looked down over, and again, all they saw is mountain range after mountain range. On September 14th, things got quite a bit worse. It started to snow. It started to rain, and then hail, and then snow, and this is September. And then Old Toby lost the trail. The trail, what's called the Lolo Trail today, is up along the ridge line, not down here where the streams are. It's all up along the ridge line. That's how you get through the mountains. But Old Toby started following what ended up being an old Indian, a trail that led to a fishing camp down by this stream here, down by this river. And Toby brought them all the way down, 2,000 feet down to the river, and they're gonna have to climb back up. They got down here. Lewis and Clark are gonna name this the Kooskooskee River. Go ahead and laugh that up. The Kooskooskee. And today it's called the Lemhi River. Yeah. But they called it the Kooskooskee. And they got down here, and because this is a recently used fishing camp, all the grass had been eaten by the horses of the Indians that were here prior. And so there was no food for the horses. So the horses were starting to starve. Lewis and Clark had no food, the expedition. They sent hunters out, but there was no game in this area. Most of the game is down on the plains. So they weren't able to bring in any, food in. There's a creek up ahead we're gonna explore. They ended up having to kill one of the colts that they brought. A colt, by the way, if you don't know, is a young male horse. They had 3 colts that they bought. So they're gonna kill one of the colts to eat because they were hungry. So they're gonna name this Colt Killed Creek.